Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, June 20th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. On the daily time frame chart, we can see the deterioration from the level of 66,000 euro down towards the low located at 59,876. Please notice that this recent movement to the downside has a very specific things on this made on during this downside movement. The first thing I would like to point out is this kind of a wedge-like movement. It looks quite specific. Please take a look at this. If we of course do some kind of a lower low, you can see now the wedge is much clearer, even if you, for example, do this. So the market is moving down in a wedge. Possibly this wedge retraced some sort of the important distance from this swing high. So let's adjust the Fibonacci retracement level to see how much we did actually retraced from the last swing high. Let me just put my magnet on. There you go. So from this high to basically, there you go, this low, we retraced more than 38% and almost 50% already. But there is one more level that we need to point out on this market. This level is of course the technical level, and that level is 60,700 euros. So this is the thick blue level here, and this level is very important for the bulls, because bulls might want to bounce from this level. There's another one, of course. You can see it roughly around the level of 59,979, and those two levels here were very important in the past. The market has been trying to move above this level, then we got the retracement, and then big breakout to the upside, consolidation, big breakout to the upside. So now when we went back down towards these levels here, let me just change this levels to black so you can see it more clearly. Those levels will act as the technical support. However, we got a little bit we broke below this level already, especially the lower one. However, there is no daily time frame, daily candle close on a daily time frame chart. So right now the situation of the bulls is still good. It's still possible for the bulls to move from this zone higher back towards 66,000 euro. Please notice that we still have the situation when the Fibonacci levels might not be that much, let's say, efficient these days. However, this market looks very technical. If we add some indicators here like RSI, for example, the standard settings RSI, we can see that the RSI is trying to bounce from the level of 38 points. So the market conditions are extremely weak. Bears are in charge of this market, so we can see it straight on this chart. And of course, we need a breakout back above the level of 50, the neutral level on the RSI, in order to see the bulls coming back to this market. So very important. Demand zone is being tested right now. We expect some kind of a movement to the upside if this demand zone is a solid one and valid one. If not, we can retrace even more, like 61% of the whole swing up before the up movement will be continued. So our plan for the Bitcoin to Euro looks for now like this. We got the low here, we got the, let's say, local high here. We are now making the wave B. Wave B should be done, and then wave C to the upside should be done as well. So all of this here, this deterioration in form of the wedge might be just a part of the wave B correction or a pullback, and then the market should be ready for rally in wave C. At least 3 waves should be done during this cycle. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.